Every move the market makes has a reason behind it. Price does not just randomly shoot up or crash down. Something is driving it. Today on PU Prime's Web Trader, I'm going to show you what that something is and how you can use it to start reading the market like a professional. Let's get into it. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. I'm on PU Prime's Web Trader, and today I want to show you supply and demand zones. This is how professional traders actually think about the market, and it's going to change the way you read a chart. Supply and demand is the driving force behind every single price movement in any market. When there's more demand than supply, more buyers and sellers, price goes up. When there's more supply than demand, more sellers than buyers, price goes down. On a chart, supply zones are areas where prices previously shot down from aggressively, meaning sellers overwhelmed buyers at that level. Demand zones are areas where prices previously launched up from sharply, meaning buyers overwhelmed sellers. The reason these zones are so powerful is that when price returns to them, the same imbalance between buyers and sellers tends to repeat, meaning you often get another strong reaction from the same area. Supply and demand zones are not just lines on a chart. They're physical evidence of where institutional money has entered the market, and price gravitates back to those areas again and again. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try the signaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, to be clear on how to draw these out, right, I have a process. Now, you can obviously take the whole push. So this was the bullish candles going up before the massive move down, creating the supply area. Personally, if I'm trading, I like to take the last up candle and then obviously just put the top at the peak, and that's how I would draw a supply zone. And these are the things that you need to look out for, because you can see price made a massive move down. That's a big institutional move. We draw our supply zone, price comes back up to revisit, and then we continue pushing down. That's a very clean supply zone. Now, in terms of demand, right, you can see here we had this, and then we have a massive move going up here. That shows that institutions kicked in, and what that means is we can then go ahead and draw our demand zone. Now, again, you can take the whole push, but you know, as I said, I like to take the last candle in that. Price pushed up, sure, we kept going a little bit, and then price came down into that demand zone before we started pushing up again. And it's just really nice to be able to see these areas where price really kicked in and pushed hard. It shows good areas in the market. You can see here that price came down, but there's nothing aggressive about this. If you see this move, that's aggressive. That's what we like to see. You know, if we're looking here, price was choppy and then bang, we had a big push down. So if I was to draw the supply here, you can see price came up and we got a nice reaction from it. So that's what I mean when you're looking for supply and demand. It shows really strong areas. And when you're trading, it's not about trading every tick in the market. You know, you're not going to catch everything. But if you can highlight these areas where price really rallied from, you can identify areas where price is going to come back, revisit, and you're going to get a reaction from. So if we're looking at this one here, price gave a big push up. What happened? Price comes in, you get a nice reaction. If you're looking at this one here, price pushed down, big strong move. So we'll draw the line. and then price came back to revisit here before pushing down again here, right? What happened? Price gave a nice strong move down. What happens? Price comes in, continues lower. That's a very good supply area to take from, and these are the areas that I look for to trade as well. It's a good indication. If you can spot these areas where price really push from, you'll have a good indication of the direction of the market. I want to take a moment away from the charts because there's a promotion running on PU Prime right now that is genuinely one of the best things they've put together, and with the World Cup in full swing, it could not be better timed. PU Prime are a regional sponsor of the Argentine Football Association, Messi's association, the reigning world champions, and they've launched a PU Prime World Cup 2026 campaign to run alongside the entire tournament. The idea behind it is brilliant. Trading and football share the same DNA. Strategy, discipline, reading the game, knowing when to move and when to wait. PU Prime have taken the parallel and built something you can actually participate in every single day. So here's the full breakdown of how it works. You earn coins by trading and depositing on your PU Prime account. The more active you are, the more coins you accumulate. Those coins feed into 3 separate ways to compete and win throughout the campaign. The matchday predictor lets you call individual match results as the tournament progresses through the group stages and into the knockouts. The top trio predictor is a bigger call. You're picking the 3 nations that finish at the top of the entire World Cup. Nail all 3 in the correct order and you take home the maximum reward. And then there's a daily free kick spin. 1 free spin every single day, with the ability to earn more spins by hitting trade volume targets. Every spin is a live shot at winning something immediately. What can you win? Let me go through it properly. There's a 300 million coin community pool with a $50,000 prize sitting behind it. Every active trader on PU Prime is contributing to unlocking that as a collective. There's a lucky draw throughout the tournament with an iPhone 17 Pro Max, a MacBook Air and $500 cash as headline prizes. On the daily spin, you can win signed AFA jerseys, authentic Argentine Football Association signed merchandise, the same shirts worn by Messi and the World Champion squad, which are genuinely rare items. You can also win deposit rebate coupons which give you money back on deposits, profit booster coupons which amplify returns on winning trades, and loss protection coupons which cover you on losing ones. Those last 3 are not just prizes, they have direct practical value on your live trading account. The promotion is live right now and runs through to the end of the tournament. Everything is accessible through the PU Prime app or client portal. If you're already a client, get in there today. If you're not yet on PU Prime, the link is in the description and this is as good a time as any to get started. You'll be trading on a great platform and competing for serious prizes at the same time. Go check it out. Supply and demand. That is the engine behind every single candle on every single chart. Understand it and you stop guessing. Get on PU Prime using the link in the description and make sure you check out the World Cup 2026 promo. While you're there, coins, prizes, signed jerseys. It's all live right now. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one.